never thought I'd see another normal face again.
A set is an area that's occupied by the actors to tell their story.
How fortunate it is that it has kept you stuck at this bar for the past 3 hours.
If it weren't for a set, you wouldn't believe that you are where you're supposed to be during the time that the scene is taking place.
And cut.
My name is Ron Wilkinson. I'm at Paramount Pictures where movies are made. My job as an art director, everything having to do with the look of the show, the art director is involved in. The art director is responsible for the construction of all the sets, with the effects people, with the construction people, with the painters, carpenters, electricians, cameramen. First contact, we had to design that little town we were in. That just doesn't appear. Someone has to design that and mathematically figure proportionally how everything will work in that. Measurement comes into play quite a bit. If I knew nothing about measuring, I would not have my job 5 minutes. In order to draw any space, you have to know how big the space is in order to put what you're designing within that space. How long is a wall? How far is it from the end of the wall to where the door will start? You have to figure mathematically how that's going to work. Behind us here is a Star Trek set. Math was used to calculate whether this set would fit inside this stage, for example. If the mathematical equations were wrong, the set wouldn't fit, we wouldn't be able to use it. Area as well. We have to make sure that linear footages are correct. We may have a console here, a chair there. If I design a big chair and put it in a little set, mathematically, the area-wise, it wouldn't work. It wouldn't look good to you on TV. One day I saw a job on the board and thought I'd inquire about it. At the time I didn't know it was Paramount Pictures. I came to Paramount to apply for the position and got it. It was just a temporary 6-month job, and I've been here ever since that. That was 17 years ago. To get to where I am in production, I had to go through a lot of courses in architecture. I had to learn how to read a scale, I had to learn how to measure, and I had to learn mathematics. Anyone wanting to do what I'm doing, I would recommend that they get in a drafting class and pay attention to what the teacher is trying to teach them in regards to mathematics itself. No matter how many times you do it, you have the same feeling once you're done. Especially when I know that mathematically speaking, my figures were correct. It's satisfaction.